What's up everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're at Grubbs Infinity making a video on this 2025 BMW X1 M35i. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter twin-power turbo 4-cylinder engine with 312 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in roughly 4.5 seconds. So I really like the X1 M35i. I think it's like a nice little SUV, very fun to drive, get in and out of traffic easily, and just very nimble. I like the interior in here. You have this nice M Sport steering wheel, very thick, with carbon shift paddles. Pretty easy to use iDrive system. This car doesn't have like an iDrive controller though. It's just all touchscreen. You have a 360 view camera. You got a little center console here, and wireless charging tray over there. And it'll hold your phone in place with that little tab. You also have cup holders, and you also have a floating center console. You have really awesome bucket seats in this car. The X1 M35i seats are awesome. Like, look at that. That's so cool. Like, they're actually like true bucket seats, and they're super nice. Have a Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle too. Blue stitching. You also have heated seats in this car. You also have a panoramic sunroof. So let's walk around this car and then we'll go for a drive. You have a black exterior on this vehicle, nice wheels and performance brakes, black grille, and aggressive daytime running lights on this car. It's a good looking car. And I love you have the wing mirror tips on this vehicle too. Here are the rear seats, and you can see like the shape of those bucket seats. They're really cool. You also have Alcantara on the seats too. You have quad outlet exhausts, which is pretty nice. Not all, typically like non-full M vehicles don't have quad exhaust, but this car does, just by being like an M performance model, not like a full M, like an X1M, which doesn't exist actually, but yeah. And here's the trunk space. So it's like a pretty practical little SUV. I mean, like, I would drive this as like a, if I wanted like a small SUV to drive around in, as like a daily driver, I would definitely drive this. Most people don't even know this car exists actually. You also have a head-up display too. The seats are quite comfortable. And I love that boost feature. This vehicle really is fast. It's really cool. The cabin is pretty dark in this car. Nice airplane. Yeah, this is a nice car. I really like to drive, and I love the way the seats and everything feel, steering, all that good stuff. Like, I like to just see the steering response by making quick moves like that, and it responds well. So, We've now returned to Grubb's Infinities, so let's wrap up today's video on this 2025 BMW X1 M35i. Really awesome vehicle right here. I think it's a great looking little SUV, really fun to drive, and these bucket seats are the showstopper. Super cool. But thanks as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of BMW vehicles.